If you are looking for a unique candy recipe, you will want to know how to make Chamoy Gummy Bears. Flavorful and fun, they are a wonderful treat to serve at any party. They are the perfect combination of spicy and fruity that makes for delicious candy. The combination of the sweet gummy bears with the savory and spicy chamoy creates a wonderful flavor balance. The gummies are simple to prepare and require no prior baking experience. Their unique flavor makes them a popular choice among many candy lovers. What is chamoy? Chamoy is a Mexican condiment that comes in the form of dried fruit, sauce, or candy. It is made from salted pickled sour fruits, such as apricots or plums. The pickled fruit is then seasoned with various spices and chiles. Depending on how it is made, chamoy can be salty, sweet, sour, and spicy. Typically, it ranges from a liquid to paste consistency, though it can come in other forms. It is most popular in the form of a sauce. Sometime between the 16th and 19th, chamoy arrived in Mexico from Chinese immigrants. Though the exact origin is unknown, it became a common topping for various traditional Mexican dishes, as well as snacks. As time went on, Mexicans adapted chamoy, and it became a popular sauce. Today, chamoy is commonly used as a hot sauce for street food vendors. However, it is gaining popularity in some fine dining establishments. Typically, it is paired with mangoes, cucumber, esquites, and mangonada at street food vendors. Another popular way to serve chamoy is with candy. There is a variety of chamoy candy treats including lollipops, gummies, candy powder, and liquid candy. In addition, it is also popularly served with popsicles, shaved ice, sherbet, fruit, and even ice cream. What you will need to make chamoy gummy bears. Ingredients: 1 cup apricot jam, 1/4 cup fresh lime juice, 2 teaspoons crushed red pepper, 1 teaspoon ancho chili pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 cups gummies, 2 tablespoons tajin. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Add the apricot jam, fresh lime juice, crushed red pepper, ancho chili powder, and salt to a blender. Blend the mixture on medium speed until the chamoy reaches a smooth consistency. Step 2. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1/3 cup of the chamoy sauce with the gummy bears and tajin. Use a wooden spoon or rubber spatula to mix the ingredients, ensuring the gummies are thoroughly coated. Step 3. Line a baking tray with parchment paper. Carefully pour your gummies out onto the baking sheet. If desired, sprinkle gummies with an additional tablespoon of tajin. Step 4. Let the gummies dry at room temperature for around 2 hours. This will allow the chamoy to soak into the gummies, helping to make them less sticky. Serve chamoy gummies in a bowl and enjoy. Tips and tricks. Store leftover chamoy sauce in an airtight jar in the fridge. When properly stored, it should be able to last 2 to 3 months at least. Instead of making your chamoy sauce from scratch, you can also use store-bought. Chamoy can be found in some specialty grocery stores, online, and in most Mexican markets. Tajin may be hard to find as well, but you can also get it online or at a Mexican market. In addition to your gummies, you can serve them on fruit, tortilla chips, ice cream, popsicles, or whatever you would like. Chamoy sauce particularly tastes great with fresh fruits, such as mango, pineapple, apples, peaches, apricots, and plums. It also tastes great when served with hard candies, and you can even use it to make candy apples. In addition to regular gummies, it goes well with sour, mango, and peach rings. Chamoy can even pair well with savory dishes such as corn, fish, and chicken. Store your chamoy gummies in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks. However, for best results, eat the gummies within 5 days. After 5 days, some of the liquid may begin to release from the gummies, making them extra sticky. Gummies do not do well in the fridge or freezer, so keep them at room temperature. When they are cold, they become hard and lose their desirable texture. It is best to store them in a pantry, cabinet, or candy jar on the counter. Be sure to store them in a cool, dry location out of the sun. Heat can melt the gummies, creating a sticky mess that can be hard to clean up. In addition, humidity can ruin the texture of gummies as well. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.